Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your dream level in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to go to your watch and then you're going to open up your dreams menu. And here I have 4 dreams. And we can select one of the dreams that we want to upgrade. And for example, I'm going to choose the puzzle dream. Okay, here if we want to upgrade our level, we need to do the dream goal. You can see the dream goal right here. For example, I need to complete any puzzle piece. 64 puzzle pieces. Okay, after you complete the dream goal, you will earn points. And then you're going to go to this menu. Okay, you can select dream level, and here if we want to upgrade the level to the puzzle master, we need to have 500 points. And to increase your points, you need to do the dream goal right here. Okay, you can monitor the dream goal. Just select the goal. For example, complete the edge of a puzzle 1 time and help 1 DG member with their puzzle. Yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can upgrade your dream level in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!